Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add a contact form in WordPress. First, you'll need to select a reliable plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Plugins section, and click Add New. Search for popular options like WP Forms, Contact Form 7, or Forminator. Once you've chosen one, install and activate it with just a few clicks. This initial step is crucial for setting up your communication channel effectively. Now that your plugin is active, it's time to create your first form. Go to the new menu item added by your plugin, often labeled Forms or WP Forms. Click Add New to begin. You'll typically find a user-friendly interface where you can drag and drop fields such as name, email, and a message box. Remember to give your form a clear title and customize each field to suit your specific needs. With your form fields in place, let's configure the settings. Most plugins offer a Settings or Notifications tab. Here, you can define where submission emails are sent, typically to your administrative email address. Customize the email subject line and sender name for clarity. Also, craft a friendly confirmation message that users will see after successfully submitting their inquiry. This ensures a smooth experience for everyone. Finally, it's time to display your contact form on your website. Navigate to the page or post where you want the form to appear. You can usually embed it using a shortcode provided by the plugin or by adding a dedicated block in the WordPress block editor. After placing it, always preview the page to confirm it looks perfect. Then, perform a quick test submission to ensure everything is working as expected, sending you a notification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.